Afraid AI will make your MBA irrelevant?
Bro, nobody knows what jobs will exist in 2028. So why study for one job?
When you can prepare for any future. Introducing the revamped MBA at Mangalam University, built with one goal: to make you impossible to replace. The industry won't just look for a degree. It will look for people with the right skills. Hard work, fluency with AI, and the ability to take decisions under pressure. Learn directly from industry leaders. Solve real business challenges and gain experience through real-world execution. Graduate with the portfolio of real work and the confidence to lead in uncertainty. Mangalam's revamped MBA. Don't prepare for a job. Prepare for whatever comes next.